In Purple Mash, we've got a newly updated training platform, which will provide you with all the information you need to get the best out of your subscription. Access the training platform by clicking on Teachers at the top and then clicking on Professional Development. Here at the bottom, you'll see a link to the training platform. On the home page of the training platform, you'll see 12 courses: Getting Started, Managing Users, Setting and Assessing, Collaboration and Sharing, EYFS, Maths, English and Science, and beneath that, Computing Scheme of Work, Coding, Online Safety and Data Handling. To access a course, simply hover over it and click on Course. When you open a course, you'll see the course overview, and at the top you'll see a series of tabs. Read through the overview and then click through the tabs to watch the videos in each section. You'll find further information under Start here, and then can click on Play to watch the video. The videos can be full screened. They vary in length, but on the whole are short, with this one being just over 2 minutes. You can click on the navigation beneath the videos to move through to the next tabs, or on the tabs themselves if you want to pick and choose the order. Any courses that you've started or viewed before will appear under the My Courses menu. You can hover over My Courses and then click back on the course to re-access it. Under some tabs, as well as the video, you'll find useful links. These might be links to Purple Mash, a help document, or another course in the training platform. If I click on the link, it will open in a new tab. I can view the resource, and then I can click back on the original tab to view the course in the training platform. The Getting Started course is a great place to direct new teachers when they arrive in September. They can use these materials to get to know how to use Purple Mash in the case that they might have missed any prior CPD. The Manage Users course would be great to share with your technicians and anybody responsible for setting up and managing the users. And courses such as Maths, English and Science will help subject leads, so do pass the details of the training platform on to those. We hope that you enjoy getting to know Purple Mash a bit more using the training platform. And don't forget that in the Teachers area of Purple Mash, under Professional Development, you'll find Mash Chats. If you'd like further support on anything you've viewed in the training platform, then please do book a Mash Chat by clicking here.